Hi guys, you are not about to watch this video tutorial that will tackle about the RIF version 1 and RIF version 2, how it is being configured, what are the features within the routing protocol, and the advantages of using this kind of routing protocol. Now, what is RIF and RIF version 2? RIF is widely used protocol for managing router information within a self-contained network such as corporate local area network or LAN, or an interconnected group of such LANs. RIF version 2 seeks to address some of the problems associated with RIF version 1. The context of newer, smarter routing protocols, or we can say RIF version 2 is upgraded. Both versions of RIF has a metric of 15 half on packets, and it will update every 30 seconds. A half count of 16, the router is considered unreachable or down. For the following features of this routing protocol. RIF version 1. The longest path cannot exceed 15 halves. RIF uses static metrics to compare routes. RIF version 2. External route tags, subnet mask, next half router addresses, authentication, multicast support. Advantages of RIF version 1 and RIF version 2. RIF version 1. Simple protocol to implement. Widely implemented and supported. RIF version 2. A standardized protocol, VLSM compliant, provides fast convergence, sends triggered updates when the network changes. RIF and RIF version 2 uses the process of distance vector routing protocol. Use the distance calculation plus an outgoing network interface, a vector, to choose the best path to a destination network. Advantages of distance vector routing protocol. It is simpler to configure than link state. It is simpler to maintain than link state. I will discuss about routing information protocol. RIF uses broadcast. Broadcast, a process of transferring or sending data to all hosts of your network. And it is a classical routing protocol. Like this shown example, the first and the third router do not send or carry subnet mask along with their updates. And it also does not support VLSM and has no authentication. Now let's move on to RIF version 2. RIF version 2 uses multicast. Multicast in which it transfers data to a group of recipients. And it is a classless routing protocol. In this image shown, it carries subnet mask along with their updates. And it also supports VLSM. And authentication is available. Authentication with an encrypted password for routing updates.
Now let's move on to the configuration of RIF version 1 and RIF version 2. Now connect all devices and assign IP address in every PC. Now let's configure the routers. Click first router. Choose No. Type Enable. Configure terminal. Type your host name. Hostname name. By the way, hostname is optional. Now let's configure the interface. Fast Ethernet 0/0. IP address 192.168.9.1 255.255.0. No shutdown. Next is interface serial 0/0. IP address 192.168.12.1 255, 255, and 252 because of the /30. Now we will put the clock rate. 64,000 the no shutdown. Now let's move on to the next router. Same as the previous router, no. Enable configure terminal. Wait. Host name. Second. Then configure the interface past Ethernet 0/1 0 1/0 rather. IP address 19. You must use the IP that you assign in the PC. 192.168.10.1 255.255.0. No shutdown. Then the serial 0/2 interface serial 0/2 to the next router. Now IP address 192.168.12.5. Since our network is 192.168.12.4, we will put 5. 168. 255.255.255.252. We will put the clock rate same 6430. No shutdown. Next router. Same procedure. Configure terminal. Hostname third. Interface fast Ethernet 1/1. IP address 192.168.11.1 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. And the interface serial for the router. Serial 0/3. IP address 192.168.12.6 255.255.255.254/30. Enter and no shutdown. Interface again /2. Put IP address 192.168.12.9 and assign the clock rate 64,000 and no shutdown. Enter. Let's move on the next router. The last interface serial 0/1. IP address 192.168.12.10 255.255.255.252. Enter and no shutdown. Now let's start configuration using RIP version 1. First, we must put do show IP route to show the routing table. Now type root router root network. Put network and those directly connected and no auto summary to avoid summarization. Now let's move to the next router. Same procedure, do show IP route, enter. Then router root, network 192.168.10.0, enter, and 12.4. No auto summary to avoid summarization. After that, this router. Do show IP route again. Router network connected at 168.11.0 12.0 select for other and 12.8. No auto summary. Enter. Now let's see if there's changes in our routing table. Now we can see that there is already R in our routing table. We'll try the other router. Do show IP route. There is also an R. Same here. There's R in the routing table. Now let's try to send message and HPC. You can see that it is failed. It is just a trial. Successful. Failed. Successful. Successful. Now let's configure this with router version 2. Same procedure, and also that we will configure that directly connected router. Now we will put version 2 here, then the network. Number 0 12.0 criteria. No auto summary. Next router, same procedure. Router version 2 that was closed. Version 2 network 192.168.10.0 try that po. Nakakasama rin. Next, water. Don't forget to put version 2. The next line, then the network goes fairly connected. 11.0, 12.0, or .4.8. Then no auto summary to avoid summarization. Now let's try sending message. Successful also. Unsuccessful. Do show IP route I forgot. Now this, see that there is already a do show IP route. Also here, do show IP route. Plastic here.